Hey everyone, here we are tonight at the 2026 Cars on King Car Show here in downtown Oshawa, and looks pretty good from the amount of cars I've seen so far. A lot of music playing, so I'm hating that part of it, but we'll go for a little walk around, check everything all out. I just got to figure out which way everybody's going here so I follow the line. Now I want to say a big thank you again to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. It's so much appreciated. And as for that little video about the road to nowhere, I'll talk about that in the next video, because this one's going to end up being a long one. It's just so much to see. Plus, I'm still a little overwhelmed when I saw it hit 10,000 views last night. Just, oh my gosh. So. Customs. There's food down here. Got a Grand National, got an Acadian, and got a Super B. This one's the Acadian. Oh, it's a Beaumont, sorry. Monte Carlo. Big block. Chevelle SS. Got custom hot rod. Pro Street.
I thought I already said that.
Got Chevy. Mustang. Another Monte Carlo. With a new style engine. Another Chevelle. Big block.
With that 4-lane highway going through my neighborhood.
We'll go down and check these ones out. Lost in Mini. For sale if you got 30,000. I don't know what that is. Volvo. Got Chevelle. Volvo. And another Chevy. Step side. Dual quads. Another Chevy. Big block. AC Cobra. He's a Fiero. Caddy. .340 Dodge. Corvair. And Grand Prix.
It says 8-story apartment.
And a custom Chevelle. We got Dodge Dart, I think it is. This one's always here. custom machine. An IROC. And we'll head back up this way again. There's a live band playing down here and it's loud, loud, loud. Not sure what that is. Little Chevy. Little big block in it. 4x4 Chevy. And it's Chevy Row. I gotta keep talking because there's music playing over there. More Chevys.
Oh, you just
And lots of people stop right in front of you. Chevys. OK5 Blazer. And Jimmy. We got food for sale. Hear the music. That's all I know. So we got Big Impala Custom here. And some kind of other truck. Mustang. Oh, classic. I'm not sure what this is. Chrysler. And no Chevy pickup. I'm not sure what that is. GS. Pontiac. Monte Carlo. We got another Monte Carlo. We got another Monte Carlo. And I gotta get out of here because all the music playing. And another Monte Carlo. Don't run into me, little guy. Let me out of here real quick. Here we got another Dodge GTS. And then beside that, we've got a Chevy Silverado pickup. And then we got a Cuda. And then we got a Nova. And we got a Corvette. And we got a Camaro. And we got a Mustang. And we got a S10 pickup. And we got a little Pinto Pro Street kind of thing. Another Chevy truck. More music. A little classic. Custom. 69 Camaro. What that is. And this, I'm not sure. Pontiac GTO. Or Le Mans, one of them. Nova. S10. Small block in it. We got Nova. No Crown Vic. Oh, we got a real cool thing here. Like Hardcastle and McCormick. That'd be cool. I like that. And over here we got another Chevy pickup. Little custom racer. Some kind of a coupe. Another coupe. Another coupe. Survivor. This thing's always here, some kind of crazy custom thing. I thought I was going to get away from the music for a while, but I guess not. Oh well, I tried. And we got a VW van. Sorry about that. And then we got Volkswagen Bug. I guess this is where all the bugs are down here. And that. Got another Bug. And we got another Bug. We got a funky Bug. All kinds of lights. And
That's cool.
then we got Chop Bug. 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 Another Bug. And another bug. And another bug. And a Carmagia. Dune buggy. Fiero. Another Fiero. And these all Fieros. Pontiac. I'm stuck.
They took care of that.
Not sure what those are. Head back up this side. Oh, I hate the music. Why do they do it? And there we got Edsel. I guess that's what it is. Something like that. We got a Dodge coming up here. Custom Econoline van. Now we're turning on more music. So let me get up around the corner, please, please. And we got American Graffiti style coupe. I've always liked them. 5 window. And we got a Roadrunner. And we got a T-Bucket. Not sure what that is. Meteor. Another Chevy. We got a Cadillac. Another Caddy. Another Pontiac. Oldsmobile 442. Another coupe kind of thing. Another old Chevy. Camaro. It's a Spitfire TR6. Another Camaro. Not sure what that is. Kind of looks like a Christine type car. We got a Monte Carlo. Oh, we got an old Willys coupe here. That's usually here every year. One of my favorite cars. We got a Ford Galaxy 500. Another coupe. And Nova. I don't know what that is. Plymouth. Another old Chevy pickup. GMC. I'm not sure what this is. Custom something or other. BMW? I don't know. Toyota motor in it. I don't know. Another Chevy pickup. A real custom. Rolls.
They were meant to be constantly.
Survivors, they got rust on the doors. That's cool. Well, Chevy, Mustang. Oh, AMX, awesome.
Well, it has like a little bit different.
Front end, yeah.
It's better than the Javelin because the Javelin's got the real weird fender lines in them. Not a fan of that, but the AMX is cool. We got a Pontiac Firebird. No original stock. I'll get some of this picture here. We've got an International Scout. Gotta love the old Scouts. Awesome off-road vehicles. Very underrated. I used to be in the whole 4x4 scene, so. Grand Prix. Got like a gasser. We'll head back up this way.
Would you call this Lincoln, or do you call it?
It's a Blazer. Yeah, K5. Two-wheel drive. Lowered right down. Buick. Thunderbird.
Willie's? That's a joke. It's not Willie's.
It's a Unimog. Duster. Not Duster. It's wrong, not a Duster. Charger, that's it. Another pickup. Got an Impala. Got a little Bronco. Another Thunderbird.
You met Brian Hughes.
Got a Gremlin. Oh, too bad it's an automatic. Another Chevy. Firebird. Another Chevy. Caprice. Custom Camaro. Another Camaro. El Camino. Like an army vehicle. Some sorts. A couple coupes.
Yeah.
We'll head back down. We got another Camaro. Got more music playing, so I'm gonna keep talking. And we got another hot rod. We got another coupe. We got a few more over up here. We'll go check those out. Cops Records downtown, it officially closed there not too long ago. Got another Spin Records over on the other side. For those who are into the vinyl scene, I am a little bit. Good friend of mine's into it. She kind of got me hooked on it a little bit. I'll get up here. Let's work our way down from here. So we got another Firebird. And we got another Caddy. And Grand Prix. I'm not sure what that is. Corvette. Haven't seen too many of those around. Camaro. Lincoln Continental. Another Lincoln. And the VW party bus. This hippie bus. Another Corvette. Another Lincoln Continental.
Hey, Bob, get that fucking bee out of your face.
Here. Custom Camaro.
Oh, you're a good boy to your daddy. You know that, eh? I can see you are very, very good.
Another Chevy. Well, I'm gonna go down here. We got another coupe up here. Got a little Corvette. We got a Dodge. Panorama. Pro Street.
Yeah.
Not sure what that is. Got a Mustang.
My dad's wrecked quite a few.
69 Camaros at 28. Corvette.
You know where we'll head back in that King and Simcoe direction because we've reached the end of the course.
Pickup. Another pickup. The old Dodge van. Custom, whatever they call them. Used to make wheelie vehicles out of them for drag racing. No pickup. A couple of Novas. Big block. Pickup. Another Chevelle SS. Big block. Impala, I think it is. Pickup. Something like out of the Canadian Automotive Museum.
Look how cool that one is.
Like what year?
Impala. Chevy. Mustang. This thing's all tubbed out. Pro Street.
Oshawa.
Chevelle. Chevy. Ford 42. Station wagon. Another Chevelle. Firebird. Another Bel Air. Lots of Chevy Bel Airs. Lots of pickups too.
That's it, yeah.
Another little pickup. Grand National.
I'm so upset about that.
Run over here. Another little Chevy. Another Chevelle. Another Chevelle. Somebody smoking the herb. Smell it everywhere. New Challenger. Beaumont. Big block. Another Camaro. Another Camaro. Big block.
Yeah, Firebird.
Go Street. Dodge Super B.
Still there at Frags turning wrenches.
Yeah. How many more years do you want to work? How many do you have to work? How many more you
Dodge
want to and how many you have to?
Chevelle. Or Beaumont actually. Another Camaro. Corvette. Another Chevelle. Head down this way. Got an Impala. Cheechmobile. And another Corvair. And another Nova.
I'm just taking photos for me. I took a picture of both of the Mustangs that are down. Those are my
We'll pick up.
No radio option.
RMG. Fiero. Oh, here's the Corvettes. All newer ones though.
Oh, does he? 3 months. You got the smile all the time. Yeah, yeah.
No, we didn't. No.
Have you 1923?
I think so. I have to.
Ferrari.
I'm not sure.
We got a Buick.
That's what I said her. I'm like,
Dodges. Another Chevy. Another Camaro. Go Street.
I have
That is Toyota? Yeah, Toyota Celica, I think it is. And we got another station wagon. And that pretty much looks to be about the end of it. Seems to be there's a little bit more cars here last year. I've done videos for the last 2 years here anyways, so. But anyways, if you enjoyed this little video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And until next time, take care everyone.